We got Brent here, coming in from what, Arizona? Is it?
Arizona in North Idaho, Coeur d'Alene.
Idaho.
Yeah.
Coeur d'Alene. Just saying, my buddy just bought a house there. Beautiful area.
Yeah.
All right, I'll adjust you good, and I can come visit.
Yeah, come on up to the Inland Empire.
All right, let me get this. Let it fall, man. Chin up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
That
yeah.
worked.
Yeah, that was good. That was like lumberjack strong. That was good.
Yeah, thanks. I played football too, not college, but
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's get some good, and then pull you up here. Let the weight of your head fall, chin.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Those were solid.
Yeah.
Right down. Mm-hmm. I'll let you drop. Let it fall.